When editing a document, Word normally selects entire words as you use the mouse to select text. This quick tip explains why this occurs and how you can change this behavior if you desire. When you are editing your document, there are many times that Word tries to guess what you are doing and then complete the task for you. This helpfulness can be aggravating at times. One such instance is when you're trying to use the mouse to select text from the middle of one word to the middle of another. Whenever you click inside a word and then start dragging the mouse, Word assumes you want to make a selection. As soon as you move the mouse pointer outside the word, the program assumes you wanted to select the entire first word in which you originally clicked. If you want to ensure the Word doesn't make that assumption, you can make a simple change to the program settings to turn off the offending feature. You do this by displaying the Word Options dialog box. We click on File, and then we click on Options. We want to click Advanced at the left side of the screen, and then in the Editing Options area, which is right here at the top of these options, we want to make sure that the When Selecting Automatically Select Entire Word checkbox is cleared. After that one change, we just click on the OK button, and now we can go back into our document, and if I try to click in the middle of a word, let's say we click in the middle of the word document right here, and I drag to the right, notice it didn't select the entire first word. It goes ahead and selects just where I want to select until I release the mouse button. That means I can select easier from the middle of one word to the middle of another word, just like I may want to do in my editing. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.